Alright, so far what I've done is I've done a rough profile grind with my 9-inch angle grinder. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead to my 2x72. These are fairly thick on the edges, so what I've decided to do is to draw the blades out more, spread them out, make them wider, and also thin them out a bit that way as well. So as you've seen, I've reforged these. I just wanted to thin out the profiles here a little bit more and to draw the blades wider. Now that I've done that, what I have to do is clean up the profiles once more.
I am going to draw a one, and you just draw another one.
Alright, so I've hardened and tempered these, and I've cleaned them up as well. And I wanted to show you guys a little bit of detail here. You can see the forged welded edge. So you can see there the darker steel. That's the high carbon bit of steel I put in. And also as I ride along the edge here, you can see that where the two different layers are. So I've gone on and I've sharpened both of these axes now. As you can see, that's plenty sharp. This is a hewing axe, so it should be fairly sharp. Here they are. This is where I'm going to leave it for this video. The story behind these actually is somebody's taking a timber framing course, and I think it's like a Norwegian method, so they need a Norwegian hewing axe, and these are obviously fairly difficult to get. So he contacted me. Actually, he contacted somebody else, and they referred them to me. So thank you. for that person who referred the work. Given that I was going to be making one anyway, I figured I'd make two. That way, you know, I'm working constantly at the hammer. I'm not wasting time waiting for one piece to heat up. So that's why I'm making two. Now, the first one is of course spoken for. The second one here is going to be available once I'm finished. So the next video is going to be making the handle. Yeah, these things, they're fairly heavy. This one here is about, it's just at 6 pounds, or just a little bit over. And the other one there is right at 5.8. So these are fairly heavy axes. But not as far as hewing axes actually, because hewing axes go from 4.5 all the way to 12 pounds. Thanks for watching this one, and I look forward to catching you on the next video.